Yeah, here is question number 12. The table shows the information about the weight of 300 pumpkins. Okay, so here the first part they are asking, they complete the cumulative frequency of this table of information. So cumulative frequency for 0 to 5 is going to be 0 to 5 here is 25. Next 0 to 20. So first two together 0 to 10, sorry, 0 to 10s together. So 25 plus 40 is going to be 65. Next 0 to 15. So we should add the 65 plus 130, which is 135. Keep adding the next one plus 55 is going to be 250. Then is 280, then plus 20 is going to be 300. So this is the cumulative frequency. Next, on the grid opposite, draw the cumulative frequency graph for your table. So here, so we need to use this data and draw the cumulative frequency. First one is 5 to 25. So where 5 is here, 5 to 25. So first is here. Next 10 to 65. 10 to this is 50, this is 75, 65 is somewhere here. Next and 15 to 195, 15 to 195. Okay, then next 20 to 250, 20 to 250, and 25 to 280, 25 to 280. So this is 250, is 275, 280 somewhere close to here. Then 30 to 300, 30 to 300 is here. So we need to draw the cumulative frequency. So it's a curve, you cannot use the ruler, just it has to Okay, so the next part is going to be use the graph to calculate estimate the percentage of 300 pumpkins that have weight greater than 18 kilograms. So kilogram is here, greater than is 18, so this is 15, then 17 is 18 here, approximate. Okay, so draw use a ruler and draw a straight line. So it's come like this. So you should draw here as well. Okay, so we'll get our 200 to from 225. Its approximate is 235. So 300 minus, so here, so we need to find this length here. So here to here is 50, and here to here is going to be like 225. So we'll take around 230. So we'll 30 to 35. So I'll take 235. So 300 minus 235. 300 minus 235 out of, so we need to find the percentage. So total is 300 times 100. So when we calculate 300 minus 235 divided by 300 times 100, so the answer is going to be 21.6. So we can write 21.7. So the answer is 21.7. Okay, so the next part, question number 13. They've asked this 7 cards. Yes, 7 cards. Okay, they was going to use 5 of these cards to make a number that is less than 45,000. So how many 5 digit that we can make less than 4,000, 45,000 they make? Okay, so here the first card can't be 6, 7, 8, 9 because the value is going to be, so 5 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first card can't be it can be 4. There is only one option, so we cannot use all other numbers. The first place 1 and 3. First I'll take first place 1 and 3. So it will be 2 chances. Then second place, yeah, it can be any. So there is all, when you pick one card, the rest is 6 cards are there. So here is 6 chances. Here is 5 chances. Then 4 chances. Then 3 chances. So 2 times. Okay, this is the first part. Then second part, I can choose 4. So there is only one option here, one time. Then the second number going to be, so this is 45,000 numbers. 6, 7, 8, 9 can't be, so 1 and 3 can come the second place. So 2 chances. Then all other numbers can be, so remaining is now, yeah, 5 times, 4 times, 3. So the value is 2 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3. The chances, the first place there is 2 chances, the second place 6 chances. Okay, 6 cards can come next. Okay, so plus here starting with 4. This is the 4. There is only one first chance, so one time. Second place can come only 1 and 3 here, so 2 chances. The rest other chances can come for 3. So the answer is, this is 720 plus 120. So the answer is 840. So 840 is the answer here. Next question 14. Here are the first 6 terms of the quadratic sequence. Find the expression. So quadratic sequence we know. So a n square plus b n plus c. So we need to find a, b, c. So I'll write the sequence: minus 4, then 14, 42, 80, 128, 186. So we need to find the difference. So the difference is going to be 18. Here difference is going to be 28. So just subtract 42 minus 14. Here 14 minus of minus 4, which is 18, 28. Then 80 minus 42 is going to be 38. Then next 128 minus 80 is going to be 48. So 186 minus 28 is going to be 58. So another difference is going to be 10. This is 10. Here again 10. So here again 10. So it's a quadratic. There is 2 steps. So as we know, the last one is going to be, we'll take 2a equal to only the first part. The second part, the first number is going to be 3a plus b equal to, the first number going to be a plus b plus c equal to. So here 2a equal to 10, which is a equal to 5. So next part, 3a plus b equal to 18. So a already we have, which is 5. So substitute here, 3 times 5 is 15 plus b equal to 18. So b equal to 18 minus 15. So b equal to 3. Second part is done. Now we need to find a plus b plus c equal to negative 4. A plus b plus c equal to negative 4. Already we know a and b. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this 2 together is 8. 8 plus c equal to negative 4. So c equal to negative 4, then negative 8, which is negative 12. So as we know a, b, c, all the values. So just we'll plug in this the quadratic. So a is 5. So 5n square plus b is 3 plus 3n plus c is negative 12. So this is the final answer. Next question number 15. So here some region is given. So we write down the 4 inequalities. So the region is covered by 4 boundaries, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So first I'll take the baseline. This is actually x equal to negative 3, but is above, so I have to write x greater than or equal to negative 3. Sorry, so this is not x, so mistake. this is horizontal always y, so y equal to -3, so is greater than, so y greater than or equal to -3, y greater than or equal to -3. Then next, same y axis going to be here, this line is going to be x equal to 0, so this is above, so x is greater than or equal to 0. Second inequality is x is greater than or equal to 0. Next, I'm going to find this line equation. So y equal to, first we need to find the gradient. Gradient is this and this point. When I take, this is 2 and 1, so change of y over change of x, x is 2, y is 1, so 1 by 2 also is a positive gradient, so I'll take 1 by 2x, y intercept is going to be 3, so plus 3. Next, I'll find this line equation. This line equation going to be y equal to the negative gradient, so the gradient equal to, so I can choose here, which is 2 by 1, which is negative 2x. Then the y intercept is happening here, so which is plus 8. Both the line, under the line is going to be here, also under the line going to be the region, so y is less than or equal to, so I'll write both less than or equal to, so y is less than or equal to minus 2x plus 8. Another one is y is less than or equal to 1 by 2x plus 3. 1 by 2x plus 3, so that is the final answer. Then here, question number 16, here is the velocity time graph for an object. Okay, first part, work out the estimate acceleration. So we know 1.5, t is 1.5 is here, so 1.5 is happening here, so we need to draw a tangent line. So I'll draw a tangent line, so we have to use a ruler. The tangent line goes this way, so now we need to find the gradient, that's it. So at the point we have to draw, so 1.5, so 1.5 is here, so this point we have to draw a straight line. So I have 1 point here, 1 point here, just find the tangent. So change of y is here, change of x is here, so this is 50 and here is 300, so 300 minus 50, 300 minus 50 over change of y, which is 1 2 3 is going to be 2, so 250 over 2, which is going to be 125, so the acceleration going to be 125 here. Next, work out the estimate distance travel. Okay, so distance, okay, we use 4 strips of equal width, so we have to divide 4 equal pieces. Then we have to find the area of under the curve, so that's a distance. Okay, 4, so first part here to here, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so finding the area here to here, this is 0 and this is 0.567, yeah, 0.7, sorry, is 70. Here is 100, each one 70, so 0 to 70, so half into base into, yeah. So first part we'll do finding the area distance, that means distance under the curve. So first is half into the base is 0 to 1 is 1 into the height is going to be so this is 70 plus 0, 70 plus 0. Next one, half into, again the base is going to be 1 because 1 to 2, the base is 1 here, like 72, 2 is going to here 250, so into 70 plus 250 plus 1 by 2 into the base into 1, then again it's going to be 252, 200, here 3 is going to be 370. So 250 to 370 plus again fourth base 1 by 2 into 370 plus the last one is going to be 440. So calculate here, you will get 35 plus 160 plus 310 plus 405, so which is 910. That's a final answer. 910 is the distance, 910 meters. Okay, so the next question number 17, the table shows information about the average sky speeds, okay, in miles per hour of 150 people. So here the data is given, so we need to put in the histogram. So first one, 10 to 20 is going to be 11, so we need to find frequency density. First, each one we have to find the frequency density. Frequency density is frequency over the width. First one is 11 by 10 to 20. The width is 10, which is 1.1. Next is 56 over 10, 20 to 40. The width is going to be 20, so 2.8. Next is 60 over 10 to 20, 65, which is 25. So then thing is 2.4. So this is 2.4. Next, 17 divided by 15, 65 to 75 is going to be 10, so which is 1.7. So next, 6 divided by 75 to 80 is going to be 5, which is 1.2. So 1.2. We take here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's like maximum is like 3, so no, we'll take like this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, so that will be easier. First 1 point 10 to 20 is 1.1, 10 to 20 is 1.1, so this is 1.5, this is 1.1 is approximate here, 10 to 20. This is 1.5, so this is 1.25, so 1.1. So here we draw the first box. Okay, so the next one is going to be 2.8, 20 to 40, 2.8, 20 to 40, 2.8, so 2.5, 2. This is 2.5, this is 2.8. Sorry. So we need to draw from here to here. Okay, so the next is 40 to 65, which is 15. 40 to 65 is 2.4. 40 to 65. 40 to 65 until here is 2.4. This is 2.5, then 2.4 is here. Okay, so next 65 to 75, 1.7. 65 to 75 is 1.7, 1.5, 1.7. So yeah, 65 to 75. Next 75 to 80 is going to be 1.2. Here, so we have to just shading here. So this is the histogram of the given data. Okay, so the next one, find the estimate for the number of people in the average speed between 35 miles per hour and 50. 35 to 50. So 35 is here, 35 to 50. So we have to calculate first this two different data. So first is 30 to 40. 35 to 40 is going to be 5 is the width. The height is going to be 2.8. So 5 into 2.8, 5 into 2.8 plus next is 40 to 50, 10 into 2.4, which is equal to 38. So the answer is going to be 38 here. The next question number 18. Here A, B, C are the points on a circle. Okay, center is O, the radius is 12. So radius also is given, which is 12. This is the radius, this is 12, also this is 12. Okay, so AOC is the diameter of the circle. Angle OAC is 38. Okay, calculate the area of the shaded region. So first we need to find this angle for this sector, then only we can use the sector. So here 38 is given. So when, okay, so as we know, angle subtended from the diameter is going to be 90 degree. Angle ABC, angle ABC equal to 90 degree. So this entire angle is going to be 90. So we can find this angle, which is 90 minus 38. So angle ABO, angle ABO equal to 90 minus 38, which is 52 degree. So this is 52 degree. So this is 52. Obviously this is also going to be 52 because isosceles triangle OA and OB is equal. So this is going to be 52. So now angle AOB, angle AOB equal to, so when I add up all three angles equal to 180 minus 52 plus 52, just we add this two angle, take away from 180, which is going to be 76. So we got this angle is now 76. So now we need to find the shaded area. So find the area of the sector minus area of the triangle. So shaded area equal to first area of the sector, which is theta by 360, theta over 360 into pi r square. So theta is here 76, the angle. So over 360 into pi into radius is going to be 12. 12 square minus area of the triangle. So here half AB sine C. A is both the radius, to 12 into sine 76 angle. So we'll get the answer is 95.50 minus 69.86 when we do this. Okay, so 25.64 is the answer. So here 2 dp, so we'll leave the answer as 25.64.